Hello children, good morning. Hello, good morning. Can you listen me?
Good morning, sir. Yes,
आवाज आ रही मेरी?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Now, yes, dear children. Now, from today onwards, I will teach you science. You know my name?
Yes, sir.
Dr.
Yes,
Devendra
sir.
Puri. Open your
Yes, sir.
book and copy. Open your copy and book watch and see that today we are going to start our chapter here. Chapter name sounds. Earlier in the last chapter you have seen your chapter friction. You have completed it. Now today we are going to learn our new chapter, that is sound. Okay. Now, dear children, see here. Look at to me. सारे बच्चे में ये देखो ये क्या हो रहा है? I am speaking, you are listening. I am clapping. Okay. Here you can see. I am just, you see the activity like this. What are you hearing? Different kind of sound. You are hearing here different kind of sound. Here you can see like this.
Yes, sir.
Like this. Yes, see that? You can listen here
Yes, sir.
a different kind of sound, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Don't ask. Yes. Now, my dear children, our chapter name is sound. In our daily life, we hear a different kind of sound. A sound that produces here, again I can see here is a glass like this. This is a sound. I am speaking. This is a sound of your car, a sound of your scooter. So different kind of sound every day we are listening. Okay, here you can see again, here like this. This is the sound. The sound here produced. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn, write down the chapter name sound and then write down what are you going to see. Today we are going to learn, write down your topic, that is learning objective. The learning objective, what is our learning objective here? First, what we are going to learn today, that is here I can say, you will be able to understand, write down, you will be able to understand. Likho, you will be able to understand. First thing which we are going to see here, that is, my dear children, what are internal and external sounds? What are internal? What are internal and external sound that we are going to learn? This is our problem for today. Okay. Here we are having a 19% students only. Aishwarya, Anjali, Anmol, Arnav, Darshali, Dikshita, Gagan, Hetal, Khyati, Maitreyi, Manthan, Purva, Saket, right hand or any other which is present. Now, Here, my dear children, I can say we hear a number of sound. We hear a number of sound every day in our life, by which means of very instrument at all times. Sound of vehicles. Likho sound of vehicles. Sound of vehicles. Sound of toys. I can say sound of appliances, musical instrument, sound of musical instrument, sound of musical instrument, sound of our car. So we can hear the sound of vehicles, toys, machines, birds, natural phenomena like that of thunder. When thunder occurs, जब तूफान आता है तो बहुत जोर से कड़कड़ाहट होती है, बारिश होती है. So at that time also we can learn the sound. So we can listen the sound by means of varying sources. Write down here. First thing, the sound tells us what is going on in our surrounding. आवाज से हमें ये पता लगता है कि हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है. Is it clear? आवाज हमारे को बताती है कि ये आवाज कार की आवाज है, ये आवाज आदमी की आवाज है, या ये आवाज ट्रक की है, ये किसका हॉर्न है, ये कौन सा म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, ये कौन सा टॉय है. तो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ साउंड वी कैन हियर.
क्या?
Okay, so my dear children, I can write here. So anything that can be heard, you go write down in your copy the anything which can be heard. The anything, write down the anything which can be heard, which can be heard, anything which can be heard. आपको दिख रहा है बच्चों सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Very good. लिखो anything which can be heard is called sounds. लिखिए सबसे पहले definition. What is sound? Anything which can be heard is called sound. अब बच्चों देखिए, आप एक एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं. सिंपल एक्टिविटी, यू कैन डू इट. एक स्टूडेंट यहाँ खड़ा है और एक स्टूडेंट यहाँ खड़ा है. Look at to me. Both are going away. अब एक स्टूडेंट जोर से बोल रहा है, hello. If the other student can hear, so you can see, आप जैसे जैसे उससे दूर जाएंगे साउंड कम होती जाएगी, और जैसे जैसे पास में आते जाएंगे साउंड इंक्रीजेस. Is that clear? So I can say that the sensation of ear, if your sensation of ear is good, अगर मैं धीरे से भी बोलता हूँ, हेलो कैसे हो, बोलो. अगर आपके कान अच्छे हैं तो आप जो धीमी आवाज भी सुन सकते हैं. If your ear is good, Darshil Jaiswal, not to send any call, otherwise I will remove from your class. Yes, listen me. अगर मैं मीठी आवाज बोलूंगा तो आपको मीठी आवाज सुनाई देगी, मैं जोर से चिल्लाऊंगा तो जोर से आवाज सुनाई देगी. तो सेंसेशन ऑफ हियरिंग आपका कितना अच्छा है, इस बात पे आपको साउंड सुनाई देगा. इज दैट क्लियर? राइट डाउन हियर. आई कैन से, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, हियर आई कैन से suppose the sound comes when I am speaking and you are listening. The sound comes in this form, in this manner. Here, in the form of waves. Suppose this is my mouth. From mouth, sound is coming. Here in this manner. You can see. This is my mouth. From my mouth, you are getting the sound. The sound is coming in the form of waves. देखो, sound is coming in the form of waves. Sound reaches our ears. It produces sensation of hearing. It produces the sensation of hearing. Yes, write down sensation of hearing. देखिए यहाँ पर sound reaches, when the sound reaches our ear. This is our ear. When sound reaches our ear, the sensation of hearing. The definition here is the sensation of hearing. The sound is a continuous disturbance. लिखो यहाँ पर sound is a continuous disturbance. You can see the sound is a continuous disturbance that can produce sensation. That can produce the sensation, that can produce. Sound is a continuous disturbance. Write down. That can produce sensation. That can produce sensation in the human ear. In the human ear. बच्चों, ये जो साउंड आ रही है आप देख रहे हो, ये these are the waves. The sound is coming in the form of waves. Draw this figure also. You can also see this figure in your book. Write down here. Sound travels. You will be able to hear the smallest sound when I am speaking very. बहुत धीरे से अगर बोल रहा हूं मैं, हेलो कैसे हैं, तो आपको आवाज अगर अच्छी आ रही है तो आपके कान बहुत अच्छे हैं. इज इट क्लियर? तो लिख लो यहाँ पर साउंड इज ए कंटिन्यूअस डिस्टर्बेंस. द डिस्टर्बेंस आर आल्सो कॉल्ड, ये जो डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड वाइब्रेशन. लिखो डिस्टर्बेंस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड, disturbance is also called, disturbance is also called vibration. Disturbance is called vibration. Vibration. Okay, लिखो disturbance is also called vibrations. Vibration travels in a wave-like motion. Vibration travels in a wave-like motion. Wave-like motion. Here, this is an important thing. Vibration जो होता है बच्चों, here I can say, how can vibration produce? I am seeing, we can see one activity here, see that. This instrument is called tuning fork. बोलो क्या कहलाता है बच्चों ये? What is this? बोलो?
Tuning fork.
हाँ, मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. This is called tuning fork. Tuning fork. ये. बच्चों देखिए, जैसे ही मैं इसको ये करता हूं ऐसे, if I suppose I like this, ये this is vibrating here. ये देखिए, the sound is produced here. Here I can say, suppose I just vibrate it and touch it. ये देखिए, आवाज आ रही है? Here.
Yes, sir.
यस, तो मैंने क्या किया, ये रबर पैड है, दिस इज एन एक्टिविटी, मैंने इसको यहाँ लगाया, इसको ऐसे, और ये ऐसे, ये
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the way sound produced. This is the way sound produced. Okay, so dear children, write down these things. Yes, so I can say, my dear children, okay, here, so write down this. Okay, so this is the way sound can produce here. Here, my dear children, तो कुल मिलाकर के मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू वाइब्रेशंस. ओके, लिख लो यहां पर ये. आई कैन से द सेंसेशन ऑफ हियरिंग. So we can define sound as a continuous disturbance, and disturbance is called vibration. Okay, समझ में आ गया सबको? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
तो लिख लो चलो सभी.
Yes, sir.
बोर्ड पे लिखा हुआ लिख लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
लिख लिया.
तो साउंड की ये डेफिनेशन आपको याद रखनी है. इट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस डिस्टर्बेंस that can produce a sensation in the human ear. Now here we are going to see two types of sounds, that is internal and external sound. Here we are going to differentiate. Here we are going to distinguish here I can say the internal and external sound. Internal and external sound. आप बताएंगे मेरे को इंटरनल साउंड क्या होता है? व्हाट इज इंटरनल साउंड? जैसे ये वी आर ब्रीथिंग, अगर मैं सांस ले रहा हूं, ये मेरी बॉडी के इंटरनल साउंड है. मैं जोर से चिल्ला रहा हूं, मैं जोर से बोल रहा हूं, मैं गाना गा रहा हूं, तो इट इज अ इंटरनल साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. External sound which we can hear, see the external sound which we have seen earlier. This is the external sound. So this is the big difference in between internal and external sounds. बच्चों एक चीज और देखिए, जो हमारी हार्ट बीट होती है, हार्ट कहाँ होता है? हमारा लेफ्ट साइड में. डॉक्टर्स स्टेथोस्कोप लगा करके, यू सी द फिगर इन योर बुक, डॉक्टर स्टेथोस्कोप लगा करके जब हमारे हार्ट के ऊपर रखता है तो ही कैन हियर द हार्ट बीट. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरनल साउंड ऑफ आवर बॉडी. और विद द हेल्प ऑफ हार्ट बीट द डॉक्टर कैन चेक आवर बॉडी. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now in your class 23 students are present. I am taking a photo of this so I can send it to the principal sir. In our 8A class I can see yes. Now, so what is the internal and external sound? The sound inside and outside your, so when we are chewing, अगर मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, when I am chewing, चबा रहा हूँ, निगल रहा हूँ, अगर मैं खाना खाते खाते निगल रहा हूँ तो उसकी आवाज आती है. So that all kind of sound which produces from our internal body, that is called internal sound. लिख लीजिए. Okay, the internal sound, that is our heartbeat. सबसे अच्छा एग्जांपल है, लिख लो. The internal sound example is heartbeat. Okay, जो आवाज हम निकाल रहे हैं अलग से, इट इज आवर इंटरनल साउंड, इट इज कम फ्रॉम आवर लंग्स. So you can write here internal sound here, then external sound. The animal communicate with their own sets of sound. जब कुत्ता भौंकता है, woo, woo, ऐसे कैसे करता है? तो जब डॉग, जो आप फिगर देखिए आपकी बुक में, a dog is barking, that is external sound. You can use the example here, dog. A dog is barking, so we can say here, surrounding by playing music is television sound, musical instrument which we are getting at our home, musical instrument. कार का, ट्रक का, ट्रेन का हॉर्न, all are external sound. These are the internal and external sound here. Okay, we can identify the external sound. एक एक्टिविटी आप करके देख सकते हैं, घर के बाहर जाइए आज और खड़े हो जाइए और अलग अलग साउंड को देखिए आप, कि इट इज अ साउंड ऑफ कार, इट इज अ साउंड ऑफ ट्रक, इट इज अ साउंड ऑफ ट्रेन. So you can easily identify. So one activity in the evening at your home, just come out and see the activity, write down what activity you have to perform today. Identification of external sound. लिखिए यहाँ पर the identification of external sound. Here लिखो identification of external sound. This is first activity you have to perform at your home. Now, one more activity, identification of internal sound. Identification of internal sound. दोनों एक्टिविटी आप कर सकते हैं. जैसे अगर आपके कान बिल्कुल सही है, your eye is totally proper ear, sorry, your ear is totally proper, तो आपको पता लग जाएगा कि ये आवाज हार्ट बीट की है, ये आवाज श्वास लेने की, ब्रीथिंग. कोई आदमी खर्राटे लगता है तो पता लग जाता है. All this activity also you may perform at your home. Identification of internal sound and external sound. आप क्या करिए, आपका जो ये श्वास ले रहे हैं आप, you can listen this breathing sound with your nose, even here, from here, nose, this is your nose. So just you can see the activity here, listen to your breathing through your nose. अगर आप नाक से श्वास लेते थे, वो एक ऐसे ऐसे, एक मुंह से श्वास लेते हैं, दोनों का अलग अलग साउंड है. नाक से जब हम श्वास लेते हैं अलग साउंड होता है, मुंह से जब श्वास लेते हैं तो अलग साउंड होता है. These are called internal sound. This activity also you may perform at your home. Okay? So dear children, this is all about today. So write down what is sound, internal sound, external sound. We are traveling in car or bus or truck or train. Different kinds of sounds are there, and two activities you may perform here. So everything in the environment creates a sound. Environment में जो भी कुछ हो रहा है उसकी वजह से क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है? साउंड में प्रोड्यूस. इज इट क्लियर? समझ में आ गया? बोलो.
यस सर.
यस.
Yes,
कल
sir.
हम क्या पढ़ेंगे, लिख लो. कल जो हम पढ़ेंगे, राइट डाउन. What are the new topic? That is origin of sound. कल जो हम पढ़ेंगे, लिखो origin of sound. Here. This is the topic for tomorrow. Right? Okay, bye. Bye करें.
बाय सर.
कैसा लगा?
Bye,
नेक्स्ट टीचर हम
sir.
आपके पास कैसे हैं?
सर
अरे
अच्छा
कैसा मजा आया पढ़ने में?
बहुत मजा आया।
वेरी गुड बजाओ ताली। यस